Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. After a long time, I am busy with my studies and my exams. Today, we are going to see quick and easy recipe. It's my favorite lunch combo. It's peas masala and Jeera rice. Let's get started. It's half kg fresh peas. Let's see the preparation. Going to cut and grind the 2 onions. Cut into pieces, add some little water and grind it. Grind it like a paste. Keep the cooker on the gas stove and add some butter and oil. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now add 1 cinnamon. Now add fennel seeds. Let's put the masala item. First let's add turmeric powder, chilli powder and coriander powder. At last, let's add garam masala. Let's add onion paste. Wow, the color is nice. Wait till it cooks. Now the raw smell is gone. Now let's add ginger garlic paste. Meanwhile, let's cut 3 to 4 tomatoes and grind it. Paste is ready. Now let's add it in the masala. See, nicely cooked. Now let's add tomato puree. Let's stir it. I like this aroma. Add salt. With Jeera rice, this combo is awesome combo. With chappathi and puri also we can eat, and it's also a awesome and superb combo. Lastly, add some garam masala. And stir it. Now let's add peas. Color combination is super. It's getting ready almost. Let's add little water. Now let's stir it. Check the taste before closing the lid. It has boiled. Now let's close the lid. Give 3 to 4 whistles. For jeera rice, take a cooker, put it in the gas stove and add some oil. After the oil heat, add a handful of jeera. Now let's stir it. Now let's add 3 green chilies. Add some salt for your taste. Add half kg of rice. Let's mix it well. Add required water and close the lid. Let's see how it's coming. Wow! Let's taste. Add some cream. And mix it. It's ready. Now let's see its taste with jeera rice. Jeera rice is also ready. Let's serve it into a plate. Recipe at your home and send your feedback at the comment section. Now I'm going to taste. It's really awesome, guys. If I live, I will keep eating. See, it's my favorite lunch combo. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe and click the tick down bell icon.